I'm Anoushka and I've been doing Abacus for quite a while now. I enjoy doing Abacus because it's fun. Now my mum is going to ask me some mental maths questions that I am going to answer.
16. Take away 9 plus 16. Take away 15.
8.
13 plus 8. Take away 7 plus 14.
28.
19. Take away 2 plus 14. Take away 9.
22.
21 plus 18. Take away 12. Take away 12.
15.
4 multiplied by 138.
5, 2.
5 multiplied by 119.
5, 9, 5.
7 multiplied by 115.
8, 0, 5.
3 multiplied by 138.
4, 1, 4. Thank you.